What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If your dryer making unusual noises, it's pretty easy to fix it. You just have to open right from the upper side, and when you open it once, it's very easy to check all the rollers and the idler pulley. So we are going to add on grease to all the rollers for lubrication, and the idler pulley has been damaged, so we are going to install the new one. It's pretty easy to install it. The idler pulley also gonna help you with positioning the belt. Once we are done with the idler pulley, you just have to remember everything goes back to same place, easy breezy. Once when you start fixing your own appliances at home, you should start by these machines. They look complicated, but they are very cool. You don't have to smash your head around things. You just have to go by some tutorial videos. You're gonna make yourself look like Tony Stark. Or you can just sit back at home and call some maintenance guy. He will charge you with a huge bill.